Welcome to this Power BI Tools tutorial. If you've ever stared at rows of boring data and wished for magic, well, Power BI is your wand. Today, we'll start by exploring what Power BI is, its core features, and how its interface makes your life easier. We'll also dive into data visualization, because let's be honest, charts are way more exciting than spreadsheets. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Power BI is like a superhero for data analysis. It takes raw numbers and turns them into meaningful insights. Companies love it because it helps them make smarter decisions without drowning in endless spreadsheets. In this slide, we'll break down its purpose, why businesses rely on it, and the core components that make it tick. Now let's talk features, because that's where the magic happens. Power BI lets you create interactive dashboards that update in real time, making data analysis exciting. It even uses AI to generate insights. No, it won't replace your job, but it might make it easier. Plus, it integrates with tons of data sources, so you don't have to juggle multiple tools. All right, time to get familiar with the Power BI interface. Think of it like learning to navigate a new city. Except instead of restaurants, you're finding data views and query tools. We'll explore the ribbon tools, different views, and how customization makes Power BI uniquely yours. Power BI isn't picky, it loves data in all shapes and sizes. Whether it's databases, Excel sheets, APIs, or live streams, Power BI connects effortlessly. No more manually copying numbers. Just plug in your source and voila, the data is ready for action. Data modeling may sound complex, but it's like organizing your closet. Everything needs to be in the right place. We'll explore relationships between data, calculated columns, and measures to make your datasets work smarter, not harder. Data visualization is where the fun begins. Picking the right chart, formatting visuals, and using slicers can transform boring numbers into impactful stories. Let's learn how to make your dashboards look slick and easy to understand. Power Query is your personal data assistant. It cleans, merges, and transforms data so you don't have to. Say goodbye to manual edits and hello to automation. Let's see how Power Query can tidy up your datasets like a pro. DAX is the secret sauce behind Power BI's powerful calculations. It lets you create advanced formulas, calculated measures, and complex analytics. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds, and I promise you won't need a math degree. Reports and dashboards are the backbone of Power BI. Pick visuals wisely, bar charts aren't always the answer. Interactive elements make data come alive, so don't hold back. Accuracy is king. Incorrect data leads to incorrect decisions. And let's not create dashboards that look like a puzzle. Keep them clean and readable. A collaboration is key. Power BI lets you share insights smoothly. Workspaces keep things tidy, like folders, but better. Security settings help ensure only the right eyes see your work. Feedback matters, so use comments instead of sending emails every 5 minutes. And nothing is worse than outdated data, so schedule those refreshes. Power BI Desktop is where the magic happens. Build, test, tweak. The service is where collaboration kicks in. Think of it like a chef versus a restaurant. One creates, the other serves. Cloud advantages mean real-time access, but know your feature limitations before choosing where to work. Filters and slicers are your best friends in Power BI. Filters help zoom in on the data, like putting on reading glasses. Slicers add interactivity. Think of them as toggles for digging deeper. Using multiple filters wisely prevents chaos. Nothing worse than filtering yourself into a data void. All right, let's wrap things up. We've covered a lot today, and I hope you're feeling inspired. First, remember the key takeaways. These are your golden nuggets of wisdom. Next, it's time for action. Implement what you've learned, because knowledge without action is like a gym membership you never use. Also, don't forget the resources and support available to help you on your journey. Finally, stay motivated. Progress might seem slow, but every step forward counts. Keep at it and success will follow. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.